Alrighty, so today we're going to try out this thing here, and okay, now I'm going to show you around that. Okay, so most important, it's a Roland JU-06, but actually you can read it here. And so it does not come with a speaker, but it has a output channel. So I've connected my trusted Sony soundbar to it. So that's where the sound comes from. And then it also comes on the back with a USB power support, a volume switch, headphone out, an output, input, and of course, like most of the instruments, you have a MIDI in and out. That is basically all. Cool thing is, you see you can flip it so it has a stand. You could also run it on batteries. As you can see here, we run it on a power support now. And now let's flip it with the stand, which gives you a better view. But as you've seen before, you could of course lay it flat, like in my other videos where I'm always telling you that I am not a musician, I cannot read notes, but I'm just curious, and I always get these instruments or that synthesizer from the local library, and you can get them, at least here where I live, from the library, and you can keep them like 2 weeks. So I'm just borrow them and play around with them, and that's what we are going to do. Now let's just see what that baby can do. You see here we have like something which you can slide up and down. Obviously, I guess it's how we can adjust the tone. So you see you can manipulate the tone here. Then next one would be the rate. Time delay, doesn't do much here. LFO, whatever that means. And then you can put it here in LFO or manual. You also can change this. I guess that's how the note is played. So you hear a difference. Here you have a range. So this gives you like different notes as well. Here you can add some noise. Oh, cool. Here you can change the frequency. Resolution, I guess, what res stands for. Alrighty, then next one would be chorus. I have to work around the camera stand, so sorry for that. What are banks doing? I have no clue. Then it reads patch number. Ooh, gives a different tone. Oh, pretty cool. Oh, listen to that. Oh, that's strange. Oh, that's funny here. Sounds like a frog a little bit. Just adjust the camera a little bit. Alrighty, so what you can see, you can produce a lot of different sounds. What you see maybe most standing out is you can change here from the range from 4 to 8 to 16, and that gives a significant change. Then of course these patch numbers, whatever they actually mean, but they definitely change the tone. Oh, you see with the delay, it has kind of an echo. Hear that? I wonder what these bangs are doing. But what you can see, if I put in bank 1 here and 1, so it just plays, well, 61. I don't know why it changed back to 61, to be honest. It doesn't want to do bank 1 here. Maybe, now it does. It sounds like an organ in the church. say can't get that on camera, of course, but it has kind of a little electronic smell to it once you turn it on. Like, you know, that smell from the soldering or something like that. Hard to describe. No clue if that's okay or not. Well, however, as always, I just want to encourage you to get something like this from the library and play around like I do. Maybe let's just do a final walk around. So what I noticed, that stand here, which we have here, actually goes like in two directions, or two different heights, I should say. So you can see you can lay it kind of semi-flat. You can put the stand up, then it goes like this, or we can put the stand completely down, or maybe not, and then it's just flat. So I guess that I would maybe enjoy the semi-flat more. You have to just to push that little button here, and then it pops open like so. And I guess that's maybe the most comfortable view. Yeah, I guess that would be the best. So, as I said, I'm not a musician. I have no clue about this. If by any chance somebody watches that video and could explain to me what LFO, DCO, HPF, VCF, VCA, and ENV means, that would be cool. I'm pretty sure it has to do, of course, how we can manipulate the sound. I get this, so that's how you changed, I say, the curvature of the note. I'm pretty sure about that. Same might here, so the one, I guess, has a pitch up and one has a pitch down, same, or this one makes like a note more like this, and this maybe a more organic one. I'll get this. I have no clue what this changes here. Honestly, no idea. Don't hear a difference here. Strange. Oh, that sounds bad. Well, basically that's it. It's actually not really heavy, that thing. And I guess if you're a musician, it's pretty nice. I wonder if you could produce different sounds like a guitar or something else. It always sounds like an organ to me. Unfortunately, I cannot test the input. I'll try it with just a microphone in, and maybe it could tamper with my voice. That did not work. So yeah, I'll leave it with that, honestly. Oops, there is nothing going on here. Anyways, thanks for watching. It's a pretty nice little device, and it's, so if you can see the size of my hand, so it's not really a big device. It's maybe, hey, let's do a sophisticated measuring. It's 3 hands wide, right, and 1 male hand high, let's say like this. So it's not really heavy, but it's pretty nice. And I've actually plugged the USB into my computer, so I'm pretty sure it does not need more than, well, felt, I guess, 5 volts, but not a lot of amps, because often if you try to power something with your computer USB, it's not getting powered. But this one apparently doesn't need much power, which kind speaks for itself, since we have just 4 AA batteries, which is powering that thing. And actually we can just check it out, how the ampage. So a ordinary battery, so you could run it on 4 of these AA batteries. Unfortunately, I cannot read the ampage on there, but that's can't be much. So you do not need a lot of amps to run that thing. So I guess just any 5 volts power or USB plug would do.